we're back at it again. We're going to be opening up this Ultra Ball that we found at our local Target. It contains 3 Pokemon Go packs, as well as 2 stickers and a Pokemon Go paper that has some codes in the back of it and whatnot. Did manage to get this and original Pokeball, but decided just to open this one in this video. That way we can keep it short and sweet and to the point. Those were the 2 stickers. I got favorite one for that one is Charmander, of course. And of course, if you don't play Pokemon Go, go download it. It's definitely a fun game. It has lost its traction over the time, but it's still an amazing game. All 3 packs. This is my first American version opening of Pokemon Go. I did open a Japanese version of it, so this will be the first time I open one of these. And I don't want to talk too much, so I'm gonna go ahead and play a little bit of music, and then I'll be back towards the end. All right. Alright, and there you have it. Thank you guys for joining me and opening up these packs. Consider subscribing as always, and let's customize the world. Not sure what I'm going to do with this Pokeball, but I always find things to do with it, so I'll repurpose it with something. As far as my favorite one I got this time was Articuno, and Squirtle was my favorite out of this pool. And as far as the comment card, of course, it's probably going to be Squirtle. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite pull, and if you like videos like this, definitely let us know. Alright, till next time, have a good one. Later.